welcome to SS Multimedia. I'm Kritika Balakanta, and today we are going to be learning about distributive property. Our objective for today is understanding what distributive property is and how to distribute numbers using the distributive property method. Let's get started. So let's get started with some problems. So the first problem we have is 8 and in parentheses 9 times 5. I'm going to be showing you guys, in this lesson I'm going to be showing you how to distribute 8 to 9 and 5. So this is basically distribute the outside number, which in this case is 8, and for the second problem is 3, by outside number by both the inside numbers. The inside numbers for the first problem are 9 and 5, and for the second it's 7 and 0. So that is basically what we're going to be doing today. And I'm going to keep this up here. I'm just going to make it smaller. Okay, so now that I made this smaller, I made that smaller so that I have more room to do my work. So first we're going to do 8 times 9. We're going to distribute 8 to 9. That is our first step. Distribute the outside number to the first inside number. That's our first step. So 8 times 9 is equal to 72. We have 72. We write it right over here, 72. Next, we have the operation sign that the inside numbers have is the addition sign. So we place the addition sign right here. We don't change it. And the next number is 5. We have 8 times 5. That's our second step. 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So we have 40. So we have 72 plus 40. Now we add. 72 plus 40 is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. And 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So our answer is 112. All right, let's go to the second problem. The second problem is 3 and in parentheses 7 plus 0. So we're going to use the same method we used for this. Same exact method we used for this problem. So the first step we did for this problem is 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. We have 21. And then the second step we did in this problem is 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is equal to 0. Remember guys, any number times 0 is equal to 0. So our first number is 21. And again, we have an addition sign over here. So that means we place an addition sign over here. Our next number is 0. So we have 21 plus 0. 21 plus 0 is equal to 21. So that is our answer, 21. It's that simple, guys. And from the next problem, I'm going to slow down a bit so that you guys clearly understand me and you can do these problems by yourself by the end of this video. Okay, let's go to the next question. For the second question, we have subtraction problems here. Subtraction. That is the only change we have. Here we had addition, and here we have subtraction. The rest is the same process. It doesn't matter if you have a subtraction or an addition sign in middle. That doesn't matter at all. The main point of distributive property is distributing the outside number to both the inside numbers, like that. And then it depends whether you have an addition or a subtraction sign because you're going to subtract one number from the other, or you're going to add both numbers. So I hope I'm making sense. I hope you get me. Anyway, the first problem is 3 times 5, 3 distributed to 5, and 3 distributed to 3. The first step is 3 distributed to 5, so 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. We have 15. Now we write a 15 down here. And since we have a subtraction sign, unlike the previous problems, we have a subtraction sign, not an addition sign, we place a subtraction sign right over here. Next, we distribute 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we place a 9 over here. 15 minus 9. Now we're going to subtract 15 minus 9. 5 minus 9, we can't do that, so we borrow the 1. We borrow from the 1. We cross this off. We have a 0 here, and we have 15 up here. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. So our answer is 6. The next question is 7 and 9 minus 6 in parentheses. So let me just erase all this. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing we did for 3 and in parentheses 5 minus 3. All we do is, first up, we distribute 7 to 9. I'm going a little slower now so that you guys clearly understand what I'm saying. 7 times 9, so 7 times 9 is equal to 63. 7 times 9 is equal to 63. We write a 63 down here, and since it's a subtraction sign, we have a subtraction sign over here. Next, it's 7 distributed to 6. So that means 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. So 63 minus 42. 63 minus 42 is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer is 21. So now it's problem time. For this problem time, what you're going to do is you're just going to pause the video. Please pause the video and try these two problems by yourself. The first one is addition and the second one is subtraction. Don't forget that, because if you don't notice whether it's addition or subtraction, you're going to get your answer wrong. So pause the video and try these problems, and I'm going to go over them with you after you're done. So I'm assuming that you tried these out and you tried these problems out and you got an answer. So now let's check if the answer you got is right or wrong. We distribute 4 to 7 first. Remember, it's addition. So we distribute 4 to 7. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Next, we distribute 4 to 8. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. The first number is 28, so we write a 28 down here. And since it's addition, it's an addition problem, we have an addition symbol right here, addition. And next, we have 32. You write 32. Now we add 28 plus 32. 32 plus 28 is equal to 2 plus 8 is equal to 0. We bring a 1 up here. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Plus the 1 up here, we cross it off, is equal to 6. So our answer is 60. So the first answer is 60. Okay, so the second question, let me just erase all this. All right, so the second question is 9, and in parentheses 6 minus 5. It's a subtraction problem. Keep that in mind, it's subtraction. So the first step is distribute 9 to the first number in parentheses, which is 6. 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. Next, we distribute 9 to the second number in the parentheses, which is 5. 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Okay, so we have 54 and 45. But remember, it's a subtraction problem, so it would be the first number, which is 54, would be there, and then minus, because it's a subtraction problem, and then it would be 45. 45. Now we subtract 54 minus 45. Okay, so 5 cannot be subtracted from 4, so we regroup. We cross the 5 off. This is 4, the 5 becomes a 4, and the 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. And since we have a 4 now instead of a 5, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So our answer is 9. Oops, okay. Our answer is 9. So let me know in the comments below if you got both the questions right, or just one question right, or no questions right. So it's fine if you got no questions right, just keep practicing and you'll get it. If you got one of the questions right, comment down below which one it was and what you got wrong for the other question, what the answer that you got wrong for the other question. And if you got both of them right, good job! Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. Also, click on the notification bell to know when our next video drops.